welcome back to my channel. I'm Adora Larry. Thank you so much for coming back by and clicking on this video, sis. We love to see you. Thank you so much. On today's video, by the title, you'll see that I'll be taking out my little crusty dusty mini twist that I've had in for literally 2 weeks today, effective. So I am just about to unravel them and see what they're looking like. I have refreshed my twists almost like not every day, but kind of as needed, and just make sure that they are moisturized. They don't really look it at all, but I promise they're not like, you know, dry. Like, they look dry but they don't feel dry, so that's what's most important to me. And like my roots, you can't really see because my roots are super puffy, so I just want to take them out today. They look better today, much better than they had. I've been wearing them in like 2 buns. They've been really cute and kind of like stylish, but I'm ready to take them out because I missed my twist out. So I'm just excited to see what that's going to be hitting for. So we'll see. And I actually just pinned these back just so that I could do my makeup. So I'm going to take these 2 bobby pins down first. But I haven't wore them like that at all these whole 2 weeks. I've been wearing them literally just like this or up. If y'all want to see like a different video on how I style my mini twists, let me know. Or if you want to see a different video on how I refreshed them, I'm happy to do a video on that too. And I'm actually thinking about doing it anyway, whether y'all want to see it or not. Okay. But yeah, so let's go ahead, and I just want to show you guys kind of closer up what it looks like. So like my parts are like deep and hidden. My roots are, they're not nearly as bad as I thought that they would be. Honestly, they could be way worse. So as y'all can see, I did my edges today. I haven't really done that all. Well, I've done that like once, not really too much, but let's just see what we're talking about. I don't really have any supplies. I just have these 2 bobby pins and I don't feel like getting back up. So I think what I'm going to do is try to, I'm just gonna get up and get a scrunchie because taking these out, it's a lot of them. So I'm gonna go get me a scrunchie, tie these up like this, and then just start taking out the ones in the back, and then see how much I'll have to unravel after that, because I don't know if I'll have to do too much because these are already mini. Normally I have to separate a lot whenever they're chunky, but I don't know if I have to do this because it's my first time doing mini twists.
Ay, ay, ay. Yeah. Listen to me carefully. These hoes are scared of me, don't wanna be compared to me. Failure is red in me, your man pull out my chair for me. He wanna marry me, my haters give me clarity and popularity. I'm still fucking bossy, it's a burden. Everything I serve it like a bird, like Russian, Dutch, and German. Floated, make you nervous. In that Tuesday wagon, 22s looking murderous. I pop my shoulder, that picture get exposure. Got bees like Oprah, my patience is bipolar. I thought I told you, don't prep me or I'll roll you. I won't be tolerating shit from nobody. I am that bitch, I'm a that bitch. Yeah, you know I'm that bitch. Can't get off of this bitch. Yeah, I am that bitch. Now you know I'm that bitch.
There's some frizz for sure. So far the definition looks good. Like I mentioned, there's frizz of course, and that's not really anything that you can control, especially having these in for 2 weeks. Like, I don't know if y'all can see, I don't really feel like getting up to turn around. So let's see what we can keep doing. Let's take out this section, and I'm just gonna take a couple of out. I have been like enjoying these so much, and if y'all haven't seen my other video on how to actually do the mini twist, make sure you go and watch that one first if you're interested in doing these, because I definitely think that they are really helpful. I never ever have tried mini twists before because I never really thought to, and yeah, so look at that definition, girl, they look good. So I'm really excited to know about them because I'll probably do them more often now. I'll probably, you know, try to keep them in probably like at least once a month, that way that I can give my hair a break. And there's so many different styles you can do, and then at the end of it you can give yourself a twist out. So it's kind of like a 2-for-1 ordeal or a couple of benefits actually, not just two, but the major ones is that one, you don't have to do your hair, and then two, that you can style them after the fact. So I'll have a style for a couple of days if I want. I'm thinking about washing my hair tomorrow though, so that's kind of dumb, but we'll see if I actually do or not. Again, I don't know if I'm gonna wash my hair just because I kind of want to wear the style longer, but I kind of just want to wash my hair because it's been 2 weeks and I like washing my hair now because I have like an actual like wash day routine that I actually enjoy. And I got an aloe vera plant for the first time, so I'm like super interested in you know, doing that. So girl, this is taking too long. I need to play some music or something. I'm stressed. This section's done. Oh, I forgot one. So we got one side down and I'm just checking, I forgot one. Just checking to make sure there aren't any like tiny ones like this left over. As you can see, the definition, girl, is just amazing. Look at the ends. So, oh my God. Y'all, I literally love my hair. Like, going natural was probably the best thing on this planet of Earth that I could have ever done for myself. Like, can y'all see? Woo, child. Okay, so we just have one more section, which is this one, and we're done. Alright, y'all, so I'm on my last one. I think this is the last one. I could be wrong. Some of these act like they want to stay in and they want to lock up. Girl, you coming out. I think that's everything. Alright, y'all, so this is what we're looking like. Y'all see every little curl, girl. I think I am going to try to separate just a little more because, let me tell y'all why. So my edges are going away. I don't like it. Alright, so let me tell y'all why I'm gonna separate my hair more. Because one, I'm gonna wash my hair tomorrow likely. So, or not tomorrow, Sunday likely. So I don't really need too much definition, and I would much rather have more volume today. So I'll probably have to, and like you can see my roots are still pretty puffy, but it doesn't look super frizzy like I thought it was because it's been you know, frizzy in the twist itself, but it's not really frizzy at all, at least in my opinion. I mean, there's some frizz obviously, but there's not nearly as much as I thought it would be. So this is like the before, I guess you could say, or the middle, because the before was a twist, the middle is them first taken out. So now I'm just gonna go in and separate them a little bit more. The back section I'm gonna keep as is with all of this definition because that section I think is like a looser curl. Whenever I try to unravel those, it gets too loose, I would say. So I'm just gonna focus on this section. So I'm gonna try and like be as smooth as possible, if possible, and just try my best to unwind them that way. So let's try that.
No one can do it like you.
drinking water every video. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. I kept the back. Like I said, I did not touch the back. I did go in with my pick and just fluffed it up as much as I can, but I'm loving it, girl. It looks so cute. Of course I could go in and add even more definition to, more volume to it, if I wanted to separate the curls a little bit more, but I don't really want to. I don't really feel like it, and I really like it like this. So if you guys love it, make sure that you guys give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment down below what you love or what you learned or what you want to see. If you have any questions, whatever, do that down below. And don't forget to subscribe because you want to see more heat from me, right? And I'm definitely gonna keep bringing that heat, girl, because I got you and I know that you need help. So we're gonna go through this thing called Natural Hair Life together. So yeah, I will see you guys all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you later. Bye.
When you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about, man, I light you up. You will turn me on. Man, I play my song. You will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me when I